The Ateneo Lady Eagles ended the first round of UAAP Season 73 volleyball tournament with a decisive victory against the Far Eastern University Lady Tamaraws. The Lady Eagles swept the Lady Tams in 3 dominant sets. A great rally punctuated by an outstanding spike from Phil Cainglet set the tone of the game. Cainglet scored Ateneo's last 5 attack points of the first set. FEU threatened to dominate set number 2 as reception errors by the Lady Eagles gave the Lady Tams early 6-2 lead before spikes by veteran Gretchen Hall and Cara Acevedo stopped the bleeding for Ateneo. FEU committed numerous errors later in the set and Cainglet and Acevedo's kills gave the set to Ateneo. Errors by the Lady Tams and 4 consecutive spikes from Cainglet gave Ateneo a 23-7 third set advantage. The win gave the Lady Eagles a 3-4 win-loss record coming into the second round and kept the Lady Tams winless.